it's crazy what's been happening over the last few days with all the uncertainty that's happened with Bank of England coming out and announcing that they're going to be printing more money, so more quantitative easing, which is going to cause inflation to go higher. And with the pound now dropped to an all-time low in comparison to other currencies, then yeah, it seems like there's a lot of uncertain times ahead. And with that, and all the glorification of mainstream media being dramatic with their language, such as lenders withdrawn from the marketplace. Now, I own a mortgage company, and it's true. Lenders have withdrawn their products, but that happens on a weekly basis anyway. Of course, there's been quite a lot of lenders over the last few days that have withdrawn their products, but it doesn't mean they've come out of the lending market altogether. What that means that they've done is the products that they had based on the interest rates that were in play at the moment, they've withdrawn those products, and they're now over the last few days starting to put more products in the marketplace in line with interest rates going to be going up. So interest rates over the last 12 months has went from 0.1% to now 2.25%, and that's still incredibly low. So interest rates are going to continue to go up, and it has to in order to control inflation. And we've had low interest rates for such a long time now that we think it's the norm. Like, it's not the norm. This was always going to be the inevitable. So we shouldn't be fearful in times of uncertainty, and understand that the bullshit and the mainstream media, they glorify things, they make it dramatic because that's what sells, headlines sell, and everyone thinks we're going to be in a massive crash. Like, we could be in a recession because of the market contracting and being a bit of a downturn, yet property prices could still be going up because of fundamentals with supply and demand. Sure, over the last few months, the property market slightly contracted by a tiny little percent. So I've put together a report with all factual evidence to do with showing actual true statistics and evidence of property prices, supply and demand, what's happening in the marketplace. And if you stay tuned, at some point today, I'm going to get it out for you guys to get a copy of it. It's about, a bunch of pages long with a whole bunch of data put together to really help you understand what's happening in the marketplace just now, right? The whole state of the economy in September 2022. So for us, especially property investors, like, it's a different from 2008 in terms of recession that we're going to go into. Property prices will still be going up because of supply and demand. Fundamentals such as unemployment. Unemployment is at an all-time low right now. It's crazy. So when it's an all-time low and there's more jobs being advertised than it is unemployment, then there's still a lot of growth to go through, but the market is contracting, right? But we can't get caught up with doom and gloom. We can't be defensive and not go on the offense when it comes to investing and building wealth. Especially property, you make money when you buy at the start, by buying right in the first place, doing your right due diligence, understanding the fundamentals, and being able to have a strategy that you can navigate through in any market conditions. Arguably, during uncertain times, especially what we're going through right now with a lot of volatility, then that's where true wealth is built, right? So again, get the right knowledge, get the right information, and ensure that you've got a strategy to navigate through what's happening right now and what's going to be inevitable in the near future, all right? So stay upbeat, stay positive. It's times like this where you've really got to understand and get a little bit of knowledge that's going to help you get through this, okay? So I'm excited about the future. Be careful about all the clickbait content that's going out there just now. We've got to be looking at how to take full advantage of the market conditions right now, the uncertainty, and prepare for what's about to come. So stay tuned for that. That kind of PDF that I put together talking about the market and all the different conditions, because a lot of it in there is going to help you understand what we're going through and give you a better outlook based on facts of what's to come. All right.